How to know if your partner is losing interest in you according to your zodiac sign. Learn to identify the signs that scream that love is in danger. Maybe you can save your relationship. Love has 1,000 faces, but when we talk about problems in the couple, it can also vary, because what for some is a drastic signal, for others it can only be a temporary problem. Today the stars reveal how to know if your partner is losing interest in you, according to your zodiac sign. And is that before you finish the relationship, you must analyze the movements of your partner, evaluate if you want to continue at his side and if things have a solution or not. Many times we can get lost in other areas of our lives and forget our partner. We do not react until it catches our attention. Consider then what impact your zodiac sign has on your relationship. Maybe the attitude you have noticed is not decisive, and soon you will be able to enjoy the love that you both already know. Aries. Your partner is very irritable. Every time he has a chance, he starts a new argument, and it seems that everything you do bothers him. Taurus. Forgets physical contact even if it is minimal, sits far away from you, you touch him and he moves or gets annoyed, turns his face when you want to kiss him. Gemini. No longer answers your phone or text messages. It is rare when you get a message from him, something that was very common at the beginning of the relationship. Cancer. Almost does not talk to you, let you take control of all conversations and rarely answer with anything other than monosyllables. Leo. For your bad luck, little by little he spends more time with other women, he approaches them but he moves away from you. Virgo. He hardly spends time with you, he excuses himself with his work, with pending tasks or with how tired he is, each time he moves further away. Libra. He does not fix himself for you, sometimes he has not bathed, but when he goes out with other people he is the most handsome in the world, he strives to look impeccable. Scorpio. There is no longer any intimacy, he uses all kinds of pretexts to reveal that he does not have the least interest. Sagittarius. Nothing matters to him, he does not challenge you, he does not argue, he is not interested in fighting or expressing himself, it is as if he no longer had feelings. Capricorn. It seems that the earth swallowed him, he does not write to you, he does not call you, he does not look for you, and when you finally coincide he is not even able to see you in the eyes. Aquarius. The little time you spend together, your partner is living attached to the screen, his social networks are more important than you apparently. Pisces. Your partner only wants you at his side when he has a few extra drinks, he does not care about you, your affairs or your worries, he just looks for you to hang out. The solution. Why do you let him keep hurting you? The truth may hurt, but it is better to know it than to live deceived and become your own executioner. It's time to talk with your partner, to put things on the table. You must always remember that you are worth a lot, and when someone is interested in you, moves heaven, sea, and land to see you happy. Learn why men lose interest. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.